In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a video as an image sequence into OpenToonz. We'll start by preparing your footage. First, convert your video into an image sequence, which is just a series of still frames saved as separate files. Free tools like FFmpeg or Virtual Dub can export a video into individual images. Choose a consistent format such as PNG or TIFF. PNG is a great all-around choice and can preserve transparency if your source has it, while TIFF is excellent for high-quality pipelines. Make sure the files are numbered in order with padded numbers like video 001 PNG, video 002.png, and so on. That numbering pattern is important because it tells OpenToonz how to assemble the frames in the correct sequence. Save all of these images into a single clearly named folder and avoid renaming individual frames after export. With your sequence ready, open OpenToonz and head to the X sheet or timeline depending on your workspace layout. This panel is where your animation is organized with columns for layers and rows for frames. Identify an empty column so that you don't overwrite anything already in your scene. Right-click on the header of that empty column and choose Load Level. This command lets you bring existing images into your project as an animation level, which is how OpenToonz groups and manages sequences. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the folder containing your image sequence. Select only the very first image in the series, just the one with the lowest number. You don't need to select every file. When you choose the first image and confirm, OpenToonz will automatically detect the numbering and import the entire sequence in order. Once it's loaded, you'll see the frames populate down the rows of the column, one image per frame, all grouped as a single animation level. This means you can move, edit, or manage the sequence as a unit while still keeping each frame in the right place. Now open the viewer and play the scene to check your import. You should see your video play back as animation. If the preview seems a bit choppy, that's typically just the preview performance. The sequence itself is correctly imported. Keep the image folder in the same location so OpenToonz can always find the files when you reopen the project. If you ever need to relink, repeat the load level process and select the first image again.